What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus against the Redmi K20 Pro. So we have the new Exynos 990 CPU versus the Snapdragon 855, 12GB of RAM versus 8. Both of these phones have a heavily skinned version of Android. Can the Redmi K20 Pro keep up? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on Android 10, it has the new Exynos 990 CPU and the Mali G77 GPU and 12GB of RAM. Then we have the Redmi K20 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on Android 10, it has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Galaxy S20 Plus wins by 7 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. the end of round 2, the Galaxy S20 Plus wins by 2 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Galaxy S20 Plus won by 7 points. In round 2, the Galaxy S20 Plus won by 2 points. As for the price difference, well, if you get the base model of the Redmi K20 Pro, and if you were to import it, then you could probably buy 3 phones for the price of the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, having said that, the Redmi K20 Pro is still a very good phone. It does have the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU, it's got a massive 4000 mAh battery, and it's got a full screen display with the pop-up camera. As for the Galaxy S20 Plus, well, it is the better phone. It has 12GB of RAM, a Quad HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a bigger 4500 mAh battery, stereo speakers, 25W charging, micro SD support, UFS 3.0 and USB 3.1, so you can output video to your TV. If price is not an issue here, then I would go for the Galaxy S20 Plus. However, I will get the Snapdragon model as it has a better GPU and better battery efficiency. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do you own or plan to buy one of these Samsung Galaxy S20 phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be benchmarks and camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.